Hi children, today I am going to start with the addition with carrying. So what is meant by addition with carrying? For example, see 500 plus 301 is the given question. So what we have to do? So first we'll draw the box here. Hundreds, tens and units. See, this is hundreds place, this is tens place and this is units place. So what is there here? So first number is given number is 500. Write in hundreds place 500. So 301 means units, tens, hundreds. So 3 is in hundreds place and 0 is in tens place and 1 is in units place. So now we'll add 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 3 is what? 5 in the mind, 3 on finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So the answer is 801. Okay, this is without carrying. So now we'll see with carrying. So one more example without carrying we'll see. 372 plus 627. See, it is there in page number 85 children. See here, in page number 85 it is there. See, I have solved now example. Now I am solving this. Okay, 372 plus 627. So what is there? See, first we have to write hundreds, tens, units. Okay. First we have to write hundreds, tens, units. So first is which number? 372. So write here hundreds plus 3, 372 and 627. Now how we have to add? 7 in a mind. See, always take bigger number in a mind. Okay. 7 in a mind, 2 on finger. After 7, 8, 9. So answer is 9. Here 7 in a mind, 2 on finger. Again it's a 9. See here, 6 in a mind, 3 on finger. After 6, 7, 8. See, 6 in a mind, 3 on fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 999. Always write here answer. Okay children, at the last. Okay, this 3 you take it as a homework. Next, what is there? Write the numbers in place value table and add. Okay, so we have to write in the place value table and we have to add. What is there? So example is 172 plus 179. So always 100 tens units. First column is 100 tens units. Okay, second, what is their given question? So here it is with carrying, so we have to not write here. So if any carry will come, then only we'll write here. Okay, so 172 here, 179. So what is there? So bigger number is 9. So 9 in a mind, 2 on finger. After 9, 10, 11. See, 11, how we will write 11? See children, 11. See, 1 will come here. So here is the 1. And this 1 will go carry over. See here. Okay. Here 1 will come as a carry over here. So here 11, so this 1 will go here. So this is carryover. Okay children, here 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 1 is 15. Okay, again 15 here, so this 1 will go here. See, don't write here 1 again, just for your assumption I am writing here. Okay, then here add this also 1, 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. So answer is 351. Okay, next what is there? 411 plus 299. So first column always for the carryover. So second is 411, 299. Okay, 9 plus 1 is 10. Again 10 means 1 here. So 0 here. Again 1 will go up. Carry over here 1. Next 9, 10, 11. See, 1 here. This 11 means 1 will go up. Okay. Are you understanding children? Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So answer is 7. So answer is 710. Okay, this way. Next year. 628 plus 325. Again hundreds tens units same. 628, 325. See children, it's very easy. Addition you all learned from first standard also. Okay, addition you learned from first standard and it is done in second standard. Even in third standard also you are learning, and in next year also you are going to learn addition of 4 digits number. Okay, don't worry about this addition, it's very easy. See, again highest number, which is a bigger number here, 8 and 5. 8 is a bigger number, so 8 in a mind, 5 on finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 how we will write? See 13. So 13 means 3 here and 1 will go for carryover. Here 1. Okay, next 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So here 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 in a mind, 3 on finger after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this 2, 3, 5 is the homework. See children, you all try to do. It's very easy. If you are unable to do, I'll send the notes also. You can copy it. Okay. Next, what is there? Roman number 3. Write the numbers in the vertical column and find their sum as shown in the example. See, we have to write the numbers in a vertical column and we have to add what is there in this. Okay. So, what is the given here? So, this is for homework. This one I have solved. 841 plus 136. See, write first column always hundreds, tens, units. Next is, so question 841. So, write down here 841. We can write without box also children. You can write without box also. See in this way. You can write without box also. But with the box it looks very neat. Okay. 136. So, bigger number is 6. 6 in a mind, 1 on finger. After 6 is 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9. Always start adding from the units place. Okay. Then tens place. Then goes to the hundreds place. Next here. 205 plus 473. See hundreds, tens place. Always common is, always first vertical column should be written. Vertical row should be written as hundreds, tens, units. Okay. Next 205. Next 473. Then we have to add 5 in a mind, 3 on finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. So answer is 678. Okay children. So here comes Roman number 4. What is there? Write the numbers in the vertical column and find the sum. Okay. What is a given example here? 527 plus 284. So 527 plus 284. So here carryover is there. See children. 7 plus 4. 7 in a mind. 4 on finger. After 7 is 8, 9, 10, 11. See 11. So what they have done? See how to write 11. See 1 always here. And this side 1 which is carryover here. So bigger number is 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11. 5 plus 1 6 plus 2 is 8. So answer is 811. See children, without box also you all can do, but with box also you can do. Okay. Here next, what is the question here? 474 plus 359. First row what we have to write? Hundreds, tens, units. Always 100 tens units first row. Then leave one box for carry over here. Then write 474, 359. Start counting now. Which is the bigger number here? 9 is a bigger number. 9 plus 4, 9 in a mind, 4 on fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 means 1 carry over and 3 here. Next 7 in a mind, 5 on finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, we have to write 12. 7, 5. 7 in a mind, 5 on finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 plus 1 is how much? 13. So write down here 13. Here next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So answer is 833. Okay children, this is the first example. Next here is I am going to solve fifth question. So first question is solved. The question number 2, question number 3, question number 4 and question number 6 are homework. So what is there in fifth question? 552 plus 391. 552 plus 391. 2 plus 1 is 3. See, always hundreds, tens, units. Then again one box for carryover. Okay, 9 plus 5 is 14. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, answer is 943. So, here completes your addition with carrying. In next class, I am going to solve this children from page number 88. Okay.